Well, it wasn't raining, but as you can see, that's ice. It was a little cold last night. She went down to -3. I don't know if that'll show up on the camera, but it's only 2 and the wind chill's probably 0 at least. It's not really windy, but there's a breeze. So it wasn't raining. Today was the only day that I've had so far since what? Can't remember my last video. Anyway, it's been probably about 3 or 4 days of just, we had that Nicole come up here, that tropical storm, and it poured for a couple days anyway. So I couldn't do any digging. So anyhow, today, even though I'm working night shift, I went out there and I cleared it pretty good. I stand up here on the deck, I realized I pulled this too much. I've got to push that back and maybe turn it around and just kind of pull that down that way or something, or maybe even just use the shovels or something. I could use a shovel and just level this off a little better maybe, but that's pretty well the grade it's going to be for the portable garage. There's a stake over there, a stake there. This is going to be the opening of it, and the stake over there. So I actually, it's 12 feet between the stakes. I only need 10. So it'll fit right in there, and it should fit across here, across the opening. So I might have to do a little shoveling over there. No big deal. Just throw it in the center or whatever. But all in all, it's a pretty darn good day. Got her all pulled out pretty good. So yeah, it'll just be a matter of probably taking the shovel, do a little touch up to it, and then I'll probably take the backhoe, go in there and just use the bucket and stamp it down. Just stamp it all down. After I got it semi-level, I'll just stamp it with the bucket just to compress it a little bit, and then hopefully in a day or two, depending on the weather and depending how I feel, you know, you work a night shift, 10-hour night shifts, 7 days a week. It's a little hard to get out and do stuff, but anyway, don't want to get sick either because it's cold. But that's kind of the recap here. Got it laid out, got it pulled out and stuff there, dug that all out and shoved it all over there, and yeah, that's about it for this video. Cheers.